You are running out of time. Stop. This is not motivation. This is a warning.
No, wait! I need more time!
If you are watching this casually, you're already losing, because every second you delay, your life is being quietly spent without your permission. You don't have decades. You have about 4,000 weeks.
I need more time! Stop the weeks from coming! I can't hold on!
And most people waste them without ever realizing it. Time is not slipping away. You're giving it away. Time isn't lost. It's handed over, to scrolling, to noise, to things that will never remember your name. Money comes back. Time never does. Every hour you waste today becomes regret tomorrow. And regret compounds faster than failure. 2 wasted hours a day doesn't feel dangerous, until you realize it becomes 1 full month of your life every year. A month you could have used to change everything. The trap you don't see. Here's the danger. You think you're resting, but you're not resting, you're escaping.
30 days is up! I'm falling!
5 more minutes. 1 more episode. 1 last scroll. That's how years disappear. The average human will spend 7 years on social media, 3 years watching screens, 1 entire year unlocking a phone. You don't need a miracle. You need to stop bleeding time. Most people stay busy. Very few become dangerous. 80% of your results come from 20% of your actions. The rest is distraction dressed as productivity. If everything is important, nothing is.
Too many tasks. I can't juggle them all. This is complete chaos.
Ask this every morning. What is the one action today that makes the rest irrelevant? Do that first. Before messages, before opinions, before the world invades your mind. Busy people stay stuck. Focused people move fast. Your life is already scheduled, just not by you. If you don't design your day, someone else will. Your phone, your job, your habits. High performers don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. Protect your mornings. That's where futures are built. Protect your evenings. That's where direction is chosen. Your calendar is not a plan. It's a vote for the life you're building.
Vote for the life you're building.
Remember this. You will die. Not later, not someday. One day, without warning, your time runs out. The real tragedy isn't death. It's reaching the end and realizing you lived distracted.
The real tragedy isn't death.
Memento Mori isn't dark, it's clarity. When you remember this, excuses disappear, fear loses power, and urgency sharpens your decisions. Build a life that time can't steal from you. Sleep like it matters, because it does. Protect your energy, because time without energy is useless. Work deeply. Reflect often. Say no without guilt. Your time is not public property. It is a private investment. Spend it like your life depends on it, because it does. Final call to action. No comfort, no excuses. If this made you uncomfortable, good. That means it worked. If you're done wasting days, comment, "I choose my time," like this video if you felt the urgency. Share it with someone who's sleepwalking through life. And subscribe if you're serious about building a future that doesn't end in regret. Time will move forward, with or without you. The question is, will you finally move with it?